Are you getting an account warning error on TikTok? Here's the error message: your account is at high risk of being restricted based on your violation history. These are the serious issues that some TikTok users reported that they got the error by mistake. Now, if you violate the rule or get the error even if you didn't violate any of TikTok's community guidelines, you want to watch this video very carefully, because if you don't follow the process, I'm going to tell you your account will be permanently banned. Now, to fix these account warning issues, first open TikTok, tap Profile, tap on Account Warning, and first check if there is any video violating the rules or not. If you found any video that violates the rule, tap on the video and make an appeal for that video. I've already done this if you don't know how to appeal for video. Then open a browser, type TikTok appeal. Tap on the first link of TikTok. Now you need to enter your email address, enter your username, scroll down, tap select an option, choose account ban/suspension. Choose to tell us more. Choose other. Now explain your problem and ask them to fix it. Now if you violate the rules, tell them you will not violate them again. Now you need to attach a screenshot of that problem. Now you can go back, open TikTok, tap an account, tap account warning, take a screenshot. Now go back to the same spot, add the screenshot, mark all the checkbox, tap submit. Now after doing this, you need to wait around 24 hours to let TikTok fix your problem. So guys, this is how you can fix your account warning issues on TikTok. If you have any question about this topic, feel free to let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.